This girl found a tiny hedgehog dying. Refusing to give up, she gently performed CPR until miraculously it took a breath. From that moment, their journey began. She nursed it back to health with love and nourishing meals, watching it transform before her eyes. As it grew stronger, she introduced it to her dog, sparking an unlikely friendship. Bath time became their special bonding moment, with gentle massages and playful splashes. When summer arrived, the hedgehog basked in the sun, thriving. And every night, nestled in her arms, it drifted off to sleep, safe, loved, and home.